VoIP Detective is happy to announce our version 1.6 release. This release of VoIP Detective adds even more to the best call reporting solutions for users of Cisco Call Manager. If you are new to VoIP Detective, we offer a reporting package that takes records from Cisco Unified Communications Manager and translates them into easy-to-read reports. We have an active development cycle and release updates frequently. VoIP Detective offers both a paid and a free version and can fit any size organization. Designed to be used by administrators, managers, and end users, VoIP Detective makes it easy for anyone to pull phone system reports. So let's get into the new features of version 1.6. LDAP support has been one of the most requested features from our users. Out of the box, VoIP Detective has its own user administration system. You can go to Administration, User Management, and add, modify, and delete users, all within VoIP Detective. With the addition of LDAP support, an administrator can create a user inside of VoIP Detective that mirrors a currently existing user in your Active Directory. This new user will authenticate against your LDAP server and use the same username and password as your current Active Directory. Users can use the same credentials they use to log into their computer to log into VoIP Detective. Improvements have been made to the VoIP Detective UCCX wallboard. The wallboard is a screen that shows up-to-the-minute statistics of your Cisco Unified Contact Center Express queues and is available in VoIP Detective Pro. Previously, the wallboard could display only a single queue or all customer service queues. Now, a wallboard with a subset of queues can be created. Just put a check mark next to each queue that you'd like to be displayed. This means that if you have, for example, 20 queues, but only want 3 of them displayed on a wallboard, you can make this happen. Administrators now have the ability to search by MAC address or device ID. This can help track down calls by a specific device. Admins can now import CDR files manually. This is useful for importing large files like a Call Manager CDR export. Previously, we were limited by the size of a CDR file that could be imported into VoIP Detective. Now, administrators can go to Administration, Troubleshooting, and choose to upload a single large CDR file to be processed. This is great for new installations that would like to export files from Call Manager and load them into VoIP Detective, instantly giving you access to weeks of call data. Team reports now show the average time to answer for all calls that do not go to voicemail. This allows managers to quickly see how fast calls are being answered by their team. There are numerous other items that have been updated and improved in version 1.6 of VoIP Detective. If you'd like to see the exhaustive list, please visit voipdetective.com, where you can view the changelog in the lower left-hand corner. Please follow us on LinkedIn or your favorite social media platform. We would love any likes, follows, and support.